this lovely TV show called Arewa African Kitchen. It's all about the northern food. Yes, it's a cooking show and it's all about the Hausa food. On this show, you will see different kind of dishes that we will show you how to make this food, how to cook this food. You don't have to be an Hausa, you don't have to be a northerner to cook this food or to want to eat such food. I'll catch you later.
Shinkafa da wake.
Arewa African Kitchen. Lime. Limes are a good source of vitamin C, which aids digestion. Limes are rich in minerals like iron, copper, potassium, and calcium.
Hello, welcome again to Arewa African Kitchen. And I'm still Doris Simeon. My name never changed. You know that, eh? Welcome to this cooking show and my eating. You can say, but it's okay. Assalamu to my party for kitchen.
My auntie.
Ah, my party photo. What are we cooking today? Item 7.
We have rice and stew.
Rice and stew.
Yes.
Oh man, my lot is eating rice and stew. Oh, the kilishi, that one, and all those things, you know, the tuwo and rice and stew, and meat. Look, can you just put us through the ingredients, please?
Okay. This rice. This salt. This white rice.
White rice, okay.
Yes.
How will you cook your white rice? And then the sauce for rice.
This granite oil. Pepper. Tomato. Onions. Seasoning. Salt.
Then the meat.
And
Meat, so definitely go with this. I'm sorry. And you're asking if I'll be the one that we thought the meat and so, but still, I'm still healthy. I'm still looking charming and sexy. You know what I'm saying? It's all because of this Asalamo food. Only you're making me fine like this. Hey, thank you. I'll leave you with my cook to put you through how to make this rice and stew. Then I'll be back to eat alone. It's my way. No worries. I'll see you later. Bye.
Don't leave the kitchen with pots and pans cooking on the stove. Make sure to turn off burner as soon as you take the pots off. Avoid wearing appropriate clothes while cooking. That means loose sleeves and sweaters. Keep dish towels, pot holders and oven mitts away from the stove. If using candles in the kitchen, don't leave the room or home while they are burning. Make sure they are in a safe place and in a flame-proof containers. Check furnitures, curtains, dish towels, etc. to be sure they are not blocking heaters or vents. Cabbage has high content of vitamin C and sulfur. They help remove toxins from the body. Cabbage has well-known cancer-preventing compounds, sinigrin and sulforaphane. Cabbage prevents blood pressure from getting high. Cabbage leaf relieve headache. Wash your hand thoroughly. Greetings to you viewers. We bring to you good food on this show. We always show you different processes of making food right here on Arewa African Kitchen. You can always trust us with good food. Just sit, relax and enjoy the show. Everyone knows what rice and stew is, but we are going to show you what makes this one special. We have different ways of preparing it, but this is the easiest way. I have my pot here. You can see I'm boiling the meat already. I don't add too much water while boiling my meat. I love to steam it. You can see that I don't have any water remaining except fat from the chicken. So, place your frying pan on the fire and add groundnut oil. That is why I said always heat up your oil so as to dry up any form of water in it. Add your boiled chicken. You have to fry the chicken very well. Make sure that it's well fried and you can see the way it is. It is good to always fry the meat you want to use to avoid some irritating smell, and also you can fry and preserve the meat. Eat this dry is because I want the inner part to also get fried. So let's pack it out. Place another pot on the fire. Add your groundnut oil and the pepper and stir together. It is always good to fry your sauce properly. The tomato is parboiled before using it. You can see for yourself. Add the fried chicken to the sauce and keep stirring to avoid burning your soup. You can see the way I am stirring it just to make it come out well. My sauce is ready. The next thing is the preparation of the rice. I have water on the fire in order to prepare the rice. So, add a little quantity of water. Note that you have to wash your rice thoroughly before you pour it into the pot. You don't need to add anything to your rice, not oil, seasoning, nor pepper. Cover up the pot to allow it to get cooked. This is my green peas. Some people may be surprised to see me using green peas. You can see the way I am cutting it. Make sure that the quantity of the green peas or other ingredients used is equal to the number of portions you want to make. So, this is why I'm using little green peas. Then cut your carrots into pieces and shapey. You can see the way I'm cutting mine. Make sure everything is well done. Let's check the rice on the fire. Because the rice has so much starch in it, it is good to parboil it. I added water because I felt it is not soft enough. Let's check it to see how done it is. So, add your green peas and carrots and turn. Make sure it is well mixed. Be careful when lifting lid from hot food, including opening that hot bag of microwave popcorn. Always cut away from your body when using a knife. It can slip and cut you.
Viewers, we are here today. I hope we are not disturbing you or making you feel bored. We're just bringing good things to you that you are going to enjoy, or am I lying? Alright, just sit and enjoy the way I'm going to teach you Arewa dish. So please sit and don't go anywhere. It's not about you knowing everything, you can still add to your own knowledge. I'm still learning too. Everything has a process and it is good to add to your knowledge. So, we have ginger drink to prepare today. The ingredients that is used to prepare ginger drink is actually the ginger itself. It must be fresh ginger and not dried ginger. Get the fresh ones and peel off the back and then slice to pieces. You can see the way it looks, right? So, we'll add pineapple to it. I have it already in the blender. Now, I'm going to add it with the pineapple and add a little quantity of water. It all depends on what you want. If you want the pineapple to be more than the ginger, or you want the ginger to be more than the pineapple, it is now left for you to decide how you want it to taste. You have to blend it very well and make it very soft and light, because if you don't blend it very well, you won't get a very good result. So make sure it is well blended. As you all know, pineapple is very sugary and most people don't add anything sugar to it, but if you want, you can add to it. You can see how it looks, right? Add it little by little. When blending, pause because of the blender to avoid any damage. Make sure you wash your hand, because I have already washed mine. Hygiene is number one. Always make sure your hands are washed before cooking. Whatever you want to do, wash your hands first. Now it is time to sieve it out. You can see how it is, right? The ginger and the pineapple shaft will be left out, so no sugar. If you add sugar, it's your choice, but right here we'll add no sugar because the pineapple itself is very sugary. All you need is the pineapple and the ginger. Now you will sieve it out. No need of another ingredient except for the pineapple and the ginger.
Shinkafa the wake.
The next dish, in fact, I can tell you, no home that doesn't eat it. Shinkafa de Mia. What is Shinkafa? It's still rice. You boil your rice, you make your stew. You hide it into it. And at the end of the day, you have your meal. So easy. It doesn't take time because we have to eat. When you walk, the first aim of anybody in life that is working is to do what? To fill the mouth and to fill the tummy. If not your mouth, you may end up sleeping all day. And what will happen? You end up drying up. But if you put food, you look elegant, your energy is there, you have focus, you can think. No energy, no thoughts. So food is what? The bedrock of everybody. Is the biggest medicine you cannot do without is your food. And what are we talking about? When you talk of food, your nutritive value that the body needs. Arewa African Kitchen Show. They are the one hosting us today, but we have to thank them and appreciate them because it's not everywhere we go and perfect this. We are doing this so that you will know the importance of food.
Welcome to our lovely kitchen, and you can see, said wow.
Yes, because I'm liking what I see.
Please just taste it first, and then you give us the full details of what you just tasted.
All right. I think I will do that. Just that. Finally.
Yes,
Here.
finally. Okay, this food is called Shinkafa de Mia. That's what we call it in Hausa.
I can see. Wow. The stew doesn't taste like regular stew. It tastes exciting. It kind of beats. The flavor is different from the normal rice.
They always have different flavor for their food.
Wow. It's delicious. It's, in fact, I think I'll come back again.
Please do.
And thank you for dragging me in because you just made my day, and I think I'll come back again.